This is the all-new NVIDIA application or control center for PC gamers and creators designed to keep your PC up to date with the latest NVIDIA drivers, optimize games and applications with the new unified GPU control center, capture the gameplay with powerful recording tools through in-game overlay, and more. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install the NVIDIA application on Windows 11 and optimize the gaming performance. Let's get started. On a Windows 11 computer or a gaming laptop, navigate to this website using your favorite web browser. Then click on this button to download the NVIDIA application. Once the download is complete, double-click on the NVIDIA application, agree to the terms and conditions, and follow the prompts to install the application. Upon completion, you will be prompted to choose the preferred driver. If you're a gamer, select this option, and for creators, choose this one. Now select the one you need and click on Next. Then enable this option and let the NVIDIA application analyze your hardware and apply optimized settings for installed games and applications. Next, enable NVIDIA Overlay to easily capture gameplay. I will show you how to use it in a moment. Then click on Next, and that's it. This is the main page of the app interface. Here you can see the list of applications and games installed on your PC that rely on NVIDIA GPU. The Discover section is where you can find all the applications from NVIDIA, such as Broadcast, Canvas, iCAD, and more. It's recommended to install a FrameView application which adds an overlay and shows an FPS meter while gaming. And that's the home page. Let's move on to the driver section. The driver page shows the latest drivers for NVIDIA GPU. If you see any updates, you can click on the download button and install the latest drivers. Let's discuss the main section called Graphics. The program settings shows the installed games and applications. You can select any game or application to optimize it for better gaming. The global settings allows you to change the NVIDIA settings such as dynamic vibrance, battery boost, max frame rates, and power management mode, and apply the changes for every game and application. If you don't want that, you can customize the NVIDIA settings on application basis. Let's optimize a game that I have installed. Click on the Optimize button to improve the performance of a game. Now, these are the in-game settings that are set to max. Using driver settings, you can improve the gaming experience to the next level. For example, enabling the RTX Vibrance, an AI-powered filter that enhances visual clarity. You can adjust the intensity and saturation boost according to your liking. I'm going to leave it at default values. Then enable the image sharpening, increases the level of sharpness, details, or clarity of your game. I'm also going to enable the low latency mode and set the max frame rate to 140 FPS. Lastly, I'm going to enable the power management mode to high performance. After changing the NVIDIA settings, I noticed huge improvements in terms of gameplay. The gameplay was buttery smooth and the gaming experience was full of exuberance. While gaming, you can press Alt+Z to invoke NVIDIA Shadowplay to capture the gameplay. Now click on the settings gear icon and choose video capture. For now, you can record the gameplay for up to 20 minutes. And you can also adjust the output settings. Once done, click on record to start capturing the gameplay. And that's it. Click on stop and the gameplay will be saved to the videos directory. And lastly, the built-in app settings lets you add the installed location of games and scan them to add to the library and optimize them for better gaming. That's how you can install the NVIDIA application and optimize games and applications for the best performance. Thanks for watching this video. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.